Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 187. If we start with this middle box, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 1 and 2 there, so this is our 8. 2 there, so 1, 2. For this row now, we've got 1 and 2. We're missing a 3. For this column, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this row, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here and a 2 here, so this is our 7. 9 here, so 2, 9. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7, 1. For this box, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 1. 8 here, so 9, 8. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. For this box now, we're missing 4, 3, 4, and 7. We've got 3 and 7 here, so this is our 4. I don't see any other help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 7, and no help here. Oh, and we've got a 7 there. So that makes this our 2. That 7 means this is our 3. So this is our 7, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes, so our 2 must be here. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 7. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing a 6. For this row, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this column now, we're missing a 2. For this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this top row now, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. And for this box, we're missing 1 and 2. We've got a 2 here, so 1 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.